Hi guys! Ako nga pala si Jennifer Binguelo. Ako ay isang online English teacher at ginagawa ko itong dropshipping business part-time. Ay, alam nyo, ang dami-dami ko nang ginawang trabaho in the past. Alam mo yung tipong ang bilis mong makapasok pero ang bilis mo ring aalis. Alam mo yung tipong pag-training your workmates look up to you, sasabihan ka na trainer mo na, you know what, you already have the ability to lead your team and to coach your team, pero in the end, ikaw yung unang nag-resign. So, in-evaluate ko guys, bakit? Magaling ka naman, matalino ka naman, maabilidad ka naman, pero bakit hindi mo nakukuha yung success na gusto mo? At na-realize ko, napakalaking factor din pala ng health sa kung bakit hindi ko naabot yung mga goals na gusto kong maabot in the past. Kasi asthmatic ako guys. So I'm just so grateful. Sobrang blessed ako guys. Nakaka-bless. Dahil bukod sa aming food business na kasama dito sa aming online franchising and dropshipping business, meron din kaming health, beauty, and wellness. Ayan. So, simula nung pumasok kami dito guys, goodbye asthma na si ako at goodbye inhalers at super energized every day. So, napakasakaya lang na habang inaabot mo yung goals mo, habang nangangarap ka, habang nagpapayaman ka, ay nagiging healthy ka din. So, just PM me guys if you want to learn more about this dropshipping business at igagay kita. See you in my inbox. Bye!